Hello boys, welcome back to another session of video tutorials, and this session is meant for class 12th biology students, and this is for 12th February 2021. As we all know that we are into the revision mode, and this time around we are revising in the form of CBSE sample paper. Already we have answered, discussed about say 3 sample papers, and we are going ahead with the sample paper 4 for your batch 2021 batch. Already yesterday's session I had given you questions of section A. Now I am giving you answers for the same. Verify the answers that I am giving with the answers that you have been asked to write yesterday. 1. Oogenesis is initiated during embryonic stage of female fetus. I'll repeat, oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic stage of female fetus. Oocyte completes oogenesis when the sperm enters the secondary oocyte. Question 2. Tropoectoderm is the outer layer of the mammalian blastocyst. After differentiation of the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, when the outer layer is continuous with the ectoderm of the embryo. Question 3. 2 to the power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16 gametes can be produced types, 2 to the 4 types. Fourth, Saheli is a contraceptive pill used by females to space children. Saheli inhibits ovulation and implantation. It alters the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperms into cervix. Question 5. Tiger population in national parks is calculated on the basis of pug marks and fecal matter. So there are 2 on which we can calculate the population of a species, particularly tiger population. Question 6. To find the genotype of a pea plant bearing violet flowers, a test cross would be carried out or taken out. Question 7. Drosophila melanogaster, fruit fly. Question 8. 2 physiological barriers that provide innate immunity are: 1. The acid in the stomach, HCl, that is produced in the stomach, saliva in the mouth, and the tears from the eyes. Question 9. The cry genes that control cotton bollworm are Cry1AC, Cry2AB. Corn borer is controlled by Cry1AB. Question 10. Alexander Fleming, Ernest Chain, and Howard Florey were the 3 scientists who were awarded Nobel Prize for discovering the potentiality of penicillium. Of course, from that fungus we are getting penicillin, which is a famous antibiotic, cheap and best antibiotic, penicillin. Question 11. A. Answer is A. The assertion is true statement, but reason is false. Explanation. An organism with the lethal mutation means sudden change in the organism, may not even develop beyond the zygote stage due to change in the gene, but all kinds of mutations are not lethal. As we discussed the other day, some of the mutations are beneficial also. The mutation is the main source of variation essential for evolution. Now there is a choice for question number 11. A. Both assertion and reason are correct. Explanation. In snapdragon flower, that is 4 o'clock flower, a cross between true breeding white and red colored flowers, that is white and red colored flowers, produce pink colored flower in F1 generation. This happens due to incomplete dominance of alleles over the other. Question number 12. A. Both assertion and reason are correct. Explanation. The time between infection with the virus and the onset of symptoms of AIDS, that's incubation period, ranges from few months to 10 years or more. Infected persons can spread the virus during the incubation period. Question 13. A. Both assertion and reason are correct. Explanation. DNA sequencing is the process of determining the precise order of nucleotides within DNA molecule. It includes any method or technology that is used to determine the order of 4 bases, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine in the strand of DNA. Genetic map up, or it should be genetic makeup, genotype. Genetic makeup of an organism or individual lies in the DNA sequence. If two individuals differs, then their DNA sequence should also differ certainly. Question 14. Both assertion and reasoning are correct. Why it is so? Biodiversity is not uniform throughout the world, but varies with latitude and altitude. Favorable environmental conditions favor speciation and make it possible for a larger number of species to exist there. Biodiversity is more in such areas than the others. Latitudinal gradient species diversity decreased from the equator towards the poles. The tropics harbor more species than temperate and polar regions. Now come to question number 15 and 16, which are case-based questions. You need to read the paragraph that is given carefully and answer any of the 4 questions out of the 5 questions. And one of the questions will be diagram-based question. So question 1C is of course mortality. Question 2A answer is emigration. Question 3 is deaths. And question 4 both A and C. And of course K, they were asking about the K in the diagram, carrying capacity. Then question 16, it is autogamy. Question 2, both A and B. Question 3, non-sticky and light pollen grain. And 4th, grasses. And 5th, assertion reasoning question, answer is C. Assertion is true and the reason is false. So this is how you need to answer section A. And whenever you are answering section A questions, you need to be specific because it is objective based, carrying maximum 1 mark. But top importance should be given to question number 15 and 16 because they carry 4 plus 4, 8 marks. So total, your effort should be to get 22 out of 22 in this section A. So towards